CamelBak continues to revolutionize the sport bottle category with Podium Ice, the insulated sport bottle that dominates in high-performance hydration. The CamelBak Podium Ice is designed for the athlete who needs cold hydration longer. Podium Ice's insulation features aerogel technology that keeps your hydration cold 4 times longer than standard sport bottles. Its self-sealing jet valve has a large aperture for fast water flow. Podium Ice has a lockout feature to ensure your bottle is spill-proof and it's easy to clean. The nozzle can be removed and each part of the cap is accessible so you can ensure it's clean. Podium Ice is available in a variety of colors, and like all our products, they're covered by our Got Your Back lifetime guarantee. If we build it, we'll back it.
We are Velohub, a team of 5 engineers and cyclists with a clear goal: make cycling safer. It's amazing to see how many people have joined us since the beginning of our journey. We have been 1 year working on our first product, blinkers.
We, cyclists, are the most vulnerable users of the road. 2 wheels to balance, no chassis to protect us, and we still need to use our hands to communicate with cars. Blinkers is the one thing that was missing for cyclists to be safer and to be a natural part of the road. It starts with the regular bike lights that you know. But blinkers actually packs everything you need to be seen, understood, and respected by everyone else in the road. With blinkers, cars will always know when you are turning and when you are braking. A laser projection makes you even more visible and allows cars to understand better what is your space and what is their space. Blinkers were designed to fit in your life. It has no buttons and turns on as soon as you plug it in. Blinkers also has a powerful battery and is very easy to recharge. Blinkers is the ultimate safety solution for cyclists.
Hey Indiegogo! It has been a long journey, but it's thanks to all the people that has joined us that we made it so far. We did a successful Kickstarter last year, in which we used the funds to take the product to the level where we are now. We teamed up with Zulke, a top Swiss engineering company, for the technical development of the product, in which we take blinkers to a stage that is ready for serial production. And that's now where we come to Indiegogo. We need your support to give the last push to blinkers and make it a reality. Let's make cycling safer.
Meet FEND, the collapsible bike helmet. Perfectly designed, fully breathable, and insanely convenient. Let's face it, we know helmets are bulky, annoying to carry around, and honestly, not that cool. But helmets do reduce the risk of head injury by 85%. No more excuses. You can ride to work, ride to class, ride to a show, ride basically anywhere and slip it into your bag until you need it again. As avid riders, we are super excited to introduce you to FEND. First and foremost, safety is our #1 goal. We have a team of engineers and designers with over 10 years of experience bringing products to the market and are now working hard to make something amazing for you. We have all R&D, factories, and supply chain set up. However, we need your help to cover the tooling and manufacturing costs. Please help us make FEND a reality.
Meet Tim. Tim loves his bike. Well, loved. Tim has been looking for the best way to protect his bike. But he hasn't been very lucky. Tim feels safer now with Sherlock. Sherlock is a small GPS tracker hidden in the frame of the bicycle. It's connected to a mobile app that lets him know where his bike is at any time.
We want to set cyclists free from the fear of theft. which is something we have all experienced. We've been working on the design and the electronics of Sherlock for about a year now, 3D printing the first prototypes and studying how to make it as small as possible so it can be hidden inside the frame of the bicycle.
Sherlock is designed to be easily installed in the handlebars. It can fit any shape of tube thanks to its flexible design, and it is completely invisible from the outside, so the design of the bike is not altered and thieves cannot see that it is there. If your bicycle moves and it's not you moving it, you will receive an immediate alert on your phone. Sherlock tracks the position of your bicycle directly on your smartphone to help you be reunited once again.
We are now running tests and finalizing the design of the product, but we need your help to get Sherlock into production. Be like Tim, support us today and get your hands on one of the first Sherlock ever made.